everyone. Good morning. Let me fix this. All right. Good morning, everyone. So I am going to be doing a coffee and chalk. So I am having my coffee and I'm going to chalk with y'all. So I decided this morning that I'm going to do a glass window, and we're going to do a really cool design. And I'm really hoping that this gets done before my iPad dies. So let me quickly share this. So first of all, let me really quickly show you. So we're going to do a background of polka dots, and then we are going to do a chicken. No, that's a rooster. On the front of it. So I would like to know what you guys think I should do, like for color for the text. So I think I'm gonna do the polka dots in black, and then text I'm thinking white, and then maybe like orange and yellow for this rooster. What do you guys think? So let me know what you think about that. And in the meantime, I am going to share this video really quick. Miss Ella is back here hanging out with me in my little craft room. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday morning. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I realized that I forgot to switch it over so you can see me. Okay, so let me show you guys the transcript again since you couldn't see it before. Share to a page. That's funny. I forgot to change it over. At least I didn't forget to change over the screen, like for the whole thing, because I've done that once before. I did a whole live video once where I forgot to switch the screen over, so nobody could see anything that I was doing the whole time. That was terrible. Oops. Okay, post that. Okay, so again, the background is going to be this, and I'm going to do these in black. And then the front is going to be this. And my thought was the text in white and maybe the rooster in orange, yellow, mix some colors up. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, I am still sharing this, so give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, we're all good. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. There we go. Okay, so here's the window we're working with today. Here's the coffee we're working with today. Okay, so this is the front of the window. It's painted white and got the handles on the front. So I'm gonna flip it over. And I cleaned it as best as I could because it's an old window. And I actually used my Norwex window cloth, so that's pretty cool. Especially since I just got that. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, since this is a window, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna fuzz this transfer. And what that means is we just wanna get some of the stickiness off because we don't want it to stick. We don't want it to be difficult to peel off, if that makes sense. So, that. Okay, so I'm going to peel this off. Slowly onto here. All right. Okay. My fingers are stuck. Okay, so now I'm going to take a cloth and I'm going to fuzz it a little bit so that it's not 100% sticky, because otherwise it will be very difficult to get off the glass. So, and don't worry, because where's my head's cut off? Is that better? Okay, and don't worry, because when you wash these transfers, when the water gets on it to clean it, and it dries, it like reactivates the glue so that it's sticky again. So I'm not ruining this. It's still going to be usable afterwards. So don't worry there. Okay. So hopefully, I don't know, it's still pretty sticky. Okay. I'm going to flip this guy over. Next time I need to get some music going. I need to figure out how to do that, because my music comes from my phone, but I'm using my phone to record, so I don't know how I can play music from my phone also. I'm gonna figure that out. Oops. Okay, get all the bubbles out. If you have bubbles, that's how it's gonna bleed. So you wanna make sure that there's no bubbles. Okay, I have this. This helps to get the bubbles out too. Okay, and actually, I'm probably gonna use that because we are going to use black here. Scoop some on. Okay. And then I'm actually going to use this one. Just want to make sure I get the whole area covered. This tool is awesome for big pieces like this, because this would be so hard if I had to scrape everything with that little thing. Okay, so it looks like it's all covered. So now I just want to scrape off excess. See, all that chalk paste that can go back in the container. Yeah, like that's a lot. Scrape back in there. That's why this paint is awesome, because it lasts such a long time, because any excess you have, you are putting it back in the container. Alright, looks pretty good. Put all got some on me, so. All right, now we're gonna peel her off. What you want to try to do is not peel at an angle. You want to try to get the whole edge and peel it back this way all together. It helps to keep it from stretching. It's hard with these big ones, but so far I'm digging how it looks. And the cool part is this is on the back of the glass, so if I wanted to change the front of it at all, like say I want to take the rooster off, I can wipe it off and then put a different design on it, and the polka dots will stay there because they're on the back side. All right, so that's what we got. I am going to go set this in water. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, that took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. Those big transfers are a little difficult, but so worth it because it's so cool. Okay, so now that that's done, I can flip this over, and you can see that I have a nice, clean, polka dotted window. See? Very clean. Use my Norwex window cloth. Cool. I'm really happy. It looks awesome. Okay. Now it's time for our chicken. I'm thinking